Well, how's it going over there, beautiful, blessed soul? Kiara DeCass here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. I've just had my vehicle washed. I'm so excited. I haven't washed it in a few months. Yeah, that's crazy. Besides the point, I just want to get straight to the content today with you guys. So as you can see, Bitcoin is busy looking at a bit of a breakout at the moment of the next level. And obviously we know that the next target is 25K. At that point where I'll be taking profits on my trades. So let's go and have a quick squiz of the charts and see what's happening. As you can see here, this is now officially on the weekly time frame. And what you can see is, let me get my cursor. There you go. So as you can see in this area, we are looking to get to the top of the ribbon, which, like I've kept on saying, is at my red line, which will give us a 25K point. Now, at that point, guys, I think we're a bit oversold on the stochastic RSI. We're coming up to a point on the RSI where we will need to do some sort of return back. Let's have a look at the daily time frame and what the daily time frame is busy doing, right? Okay, so let's get the chart a little bit bigger for us. Click that off and check at that. Wow, that is looking delicious on the daily time frame. Now, here's my cursor again. There you go. You can see this current candle today has already retested the bottom of the triangle here, and it looks like we're finding support on the yellow line, which is pretty good at 23K, which means that we could be heading up much longer. Now, the lower down in the time frame that you go, so now this is the 4-hour time frame. So as you can see here, I have drawn in this bottoming line and this descending line, which was almost a triangle, but not really. But we found some support on the ribbon. We didn't break a lower low with this here. We did, however, break a higher high with that candle up there. And as you can see, we're now looking forward to obviously finding some support there. And we could potentially look at, a very beautiful energy. Let me just show you something here quickly on the daily time frame that I didn't show you. Sorry, guys. So if you can see here on the daily time frame, what's happening? These candles are 6 days of sideways action and then a pump. Now we're on basically the same time frame over here. We're on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're on the 7th day of pump action. Are we going to pump up to that 25K level, which isn't too far away? It's only $2,000 away, which is not a bad move for Bitcoin. Now, if we had to go down to the 1-hour time frame, let's go and see what's happening on the 1-hour time frame, because the 1-hour time frame has shown you that we not only have found some support after breaking out of this wonderful descension of the triangle. We broke out here, we fake tested it, we retested it, we brought ourselves back in, and now we've pushed back up above the yellow line and we're looking a little bit stronger. Now, let us go and quickly have a look at the S&P. Okay, because the S&P has finally, as you can see here, now this is the hour time frame, but let's go and have a look at the daily time frame here, because that's what matters. Okay, so after how long, guys? How long have we waited to see this? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now finally on the 6th attempt of breaking out of that descending broadening wedge pattern, we have done it. We've closed above it. We've now officially closed 1, 2, 3, 4 candles above the descending channel, and our next target would probably be the top of this section here, which would leave us at the $4,100 mark on the stocks. Now at that point, guys, we could actually bounce off of that, hit resistance, bounce off, come all the way back down, retest the support zone down here, and then continue the trend back up. That would be probably the healthiest thing that we could do, and essentially that's what we want to do. So now, what does that actually mean for us? Well, it means very good things for us, because Bitcoin can push up a little bit. Bitcoin has been following gold for some time, and it has almost decoupled from the S&P. And as you can see, Bitcoin is really showing us in such a way that we need to be very cognizant of all of the noise out there in the market, that it's aligning with the S&P, it's aligning with gold, whatever it might be, but there's correlation to these things a little bit more frequently. And now this is what makes this space a lot more beautiful and a lot more important, is that there are support levels, there are resistance levels. They very much respect these levels, okay, especially ones where there are there's high volume at those different levels. Now, Bitcoin is finding some support on the 23,000 level, which is phenomenal, because we were concerned if it broke down below the 22,500 level that we would probably see about the 19,000 level on Bitcoin. So right now that isn't going to happen. I still believe that it's possible that it can happen, and that we may see that in a little while. But for now, you guys have been rock stars in this video, and I thank you very much for being here with me on this channel today, and I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you for being part of my community. I know I've been doing some really crazy awesome crypto or altcoin reviews on some of the ones that I've done on my millionaire playlist, and I hope you guys can go and enjoy that by watching the links up there in the corner or down below. In the description you can find that. But guys, there's plenty crypto out there. There's plenty that's going to fall away, and there's sure as anything a lot of them going to be around in the near future. A lot of them are proving themselves and have proven themselves already. You know, I may have been only in this space for 2 years now, but at the end of the day, I've seen a lot of this fight in the difference in the market, where people often say to us, well, actually, you know, all crypto is going to go to zero. And I don't believe it, because crypto, just like any other business, and I have a business, I'm sure you watching this, you may have a business, is just like any other functioning business with employees, etc., that has room for potential growth. And these cryptos should be basically considered as penny stocks at this point. So there is a lot of money to be made in this market, and I hope you guys are doing what you need to. If you haven't clicked on the bonus down yet and you do trade, if you don't trade, don't click on the bonus, but below, in the link below, click on that. You will get a $30,000 bonus clicking my Bybit account link, and then from there, go and have some fun, go make yourself some money. We shall see the first monthly candle of the year close on Tuesday, so I'm looking forward to seeing what that brings about, because on Wednesday is the first FOMC meeting and of this year so far, and let's see what happens here. Yes, I believe they're going to raise interest rates a little bit, and if they do that, that's going to be pretty decent for the market, because it's already priced in. So we may see further upside, maybe even up to the 28,000-30,000 level, but let's just hit the 25 level for now. Thank you for watching, my beautiful souls. We'll see you on the next one.